In the final analysis and visualization step, boxes were created to highlight the position of proposed and existing transport nodes. Möbius Modeller has two different functions that would cover the different types of centrality analysis. For degree analysis, analyze.degree may be used. Otherwise, analyze.centrality is used. A polygon is then created on each edge with the extruded position that corresponds to the centrality value. The value was scaled by a factor of 1000 for visualization clarity. Finally, the gradient color was applied to the polygons using the centrality values. For proximity analysis, the nearest position to every position of the grid was obtained with the analyze.nearest function. It was assumed that the distance computed from that step to be covered at 1 meter per second. Meanwhile, travel speed on the road is higher at a speed of 8 meters per second. The computed total time provides an insight to the proximity of the cell to the nearest transport node. The value is then used to apply a gradient color to each cell. The value range has been set to reveal areas which take more than 10 minutes as red.